Hey guys, in this sock plushie tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this adorable rainbow fish plushie out of socks that I got at my local Dollar Tree. It came out so cute and it was so easy to make. So if you don't know where to get socks like this, why don't you check out the links that I've left below to help you out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I would love to always see you here and you can see all my newest videos. Anyway, let's get this going. Okay, so here's what you'll need. Your coordinating thread, a pair of shears, and of course your colorful socks, and some stuffing. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the color sock that you want to be the front, sort of like the nose of the fish, and you're gonna stuff it up with some fluff. And then you're gonna cut right about there. Now you're going to take your other colored sock and right from the opening you're going to stuff this sort of ball or the front of the fish right in there. And then you will hand sew right around this area here and go all the way around to make sure you really attach it onto the front of the fish. And when you're done sewing, what you're going to do is cut right here, and then you're going to stuff up the fish's body with some stuffing. Make it nice and fluffy and chunky and however you want your fish to look. Looking cute so far. So now I'm going to create the tail. So I'm going to take the other leftover part of the sock and I'm going to sew on this end. Meaning I'm going to close up this end here. And I'm going to go over that sewing so that it's nice and tight. And this fish's tail looks so adorable. I like mine right about there, so I'm going to cut it right there. Now I'm going to sew around this opening so that I could pull the thread and it scrunches closed, just like I'm doing here. And when I pull, it scrunches closed, and now this fish's tail, I'm going to give it a little scrunching on the end and stuff it right in. And I'm going to sew it in place so of course it doesn't fall out. But how cute is that? And so easy. And with this leftover piece of sock, I'm going to make the little fins on the side. And of course, I'm going to cut off the same exact piece on my other sock. I'm going to sew close this open side here, then turn it right side out and sew close the other open side. And now, using the same sewing method, I'm going to create the top fin. I have these buttons that look just like eyes, so I'm going to sew them right in place for the fishy's eyes. And the last thing I'm going to do with this adorable fishy is give it a mouth. So I'm going to give it a little pinch here and do a running stitch and a back stitch right over it. And that's it. And that was so quick and easy. So if you really enjoy sewing plushies like this, why don't you also check out these other tutorials of mine that are just as easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.